numbers between 25 and 75. I want 50 plus or minus x square. As per our Yavadadhikam method, we take 50 plus minus x plus minus x. As much more you have to increase, as much less you have to decrease. Okay, do you remember I consider 50 as half of 100. So I can multiply by half ratio, and square of this will be x square. Do you remember we had taken 100 base. 100 is 2 times 50. Obviously 50 is 1/2 of 100. So 1/2 to be multiplied here, ratio. And here the base is 100. So you should say x square into 2 digits. It is very simple. So you can understand it is, this is 50, you should understand 25, double x, so it is plus or minus x, and x square, this into 2 digits. So this shows if your number is x more, from 50 add x to 50. If your number is x less, subtract x from 50. Add the square of the x. Let us see some illustration and we can understand very easily. See, I take 52, then 57 and 59. On the other side, I can take 46, then 43, even 42. Do understand this. This is nothing but it is 50 plus 2. Do you remember our method is 50 plus minus x bracket square, 25 plus minus x in x square. So you want to square up this one, so square this one, that will be 25 plus 2 and adjust 2 square. So this is 27. Square of 2 is 4. You need 2 digits, so it is 04. Here, this is 50 plus 7 square, then 25 plus 7 square is 32, 49. You don't need now to do all this. This was only to understand. So this is 9 more. Add 9 to 25. 34. 9 square, 81. See, you can calculate directly. Come here. 46. 4 less. 25 minus 4, 21. 4 square is 16. 43, 7 less. So 25 minus 7, 18. 7 square, 49. 42, 8 less. 25 minus 8, 17, 64. See how easily you can find out the square. It's very simple to find out square one. Obviously the question will be if a number lie before that or go beyond it. Let us take some illustration of that type also. Suppose I want 32 square or 36 square or 39 square. On another side, I can say 63 square, 67 square, and so on. Do you remember? 32 is 18 less. So you can say, to try to understand, 20 minus 8, 18 is 7. Now 18 square. Take 20 base, 2 less, 16, double, 32 and 4. So you can say it is 324. Try to understand this. See, everything is going on orally. You can say 18 less. So 25 minus 18 is 7. 18 square is 324. So it will be 1024. Same way here. It is 14 less. So it will be 11. 14 square. Can you count it orally? 10 plus 4, so increase 4. So 14 plus 4 is 18. 4 square is 16, 196. So it is 196. And so it is 1296. 39 is 11 less. Subtract 11 from 25, 14. 11 square is 121. So 1521. See how easily you can count out. You don't need to work more. Everything so speedily. Same way, these 13 more. 25 plus 13, 38. 13 square is 169. This way. And so you can say 3969 is the answer. These 17 more. 25 plus 17, 42. 25 plus 7, 32 and 10, 42. 70 square, 289. How? 17 minus 3, because it is 3 less than 20. 14 double, because 20 is the base, 28 and 9. And so you can say it is 4489. So it's very simple. You can see, if you want to find the square of numbers from 1 to 25, you can very easily say orally you can count out 25 to 75. Also, you can do it orally. Or otherwise you can go 75 to 100, base will be 100, and 100 to 125. So if you make a small try to revise with the students or the learners. Take some task. Certainly you will succeed to find the square of 1 to 125. Any number orally square can be done. The main here is do you remember? This is the most useful thing. Well friend, yet the problem will be there. That suppose I want to find out the square of, somebody can say me, suppose this is 3789. Obviously, first I need to find out 3000. Then I have to find out the square of 789. So 789, I need 700 for base. Then I go for 89, I need 80 as a base. And if the number is going on bigger and bigger, how many times you have to find the square? So there must be a simple method which can give you square. Let us try to understand it. So we shall first of all try to understand a new method known as the method of duplex. First of all,